Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. Today let us learn the lesson water. Salim is thirsty, he is drinking water. To quench our thirst, water is very essential. That means when we are thirsty, we drink the water. Okay, now look at the pictures and say the story. You already know the story of the crow, a thirsty crow. A thirsty crow, it was finding water here and there. It went in search of water here and there, but it did not get water. After it saw near the house, it saw a pot where the water was very low. So what it did, it brought the pebbles one by one and put into the water into the pot, and the water rised up and it drank the water and flew away happily. You have learnt in your lower class, is it not? Why is this crow doing this? Because it was very thirsty. Okay, children. Now, you can see a plant drying up, but now the plant looks so fresh. How? Even the plants, trees, and animals need water. When the plant is drying up, if you put water, it will become fresh. What are the things you do at home using water? What all you do? You'll do, the first one is washing, washing, bathing, cooking, and to for vegetables also, to clean vegetables she is using. See children, again I am going to show you here. Here for washing, second is bathing. Here this one is washing, washing the vegetables. Here cooking. Okay. Now in this picture she is cleaning the vessels. Here he is flushing the toilet. This man is washing the clothes. This girl is drinking water. So now see, in these pictures we saw the for washing, for brushing our teeth, for taking bath, for washing vegetables, for cooking, washing vessels, then flushing the toilet, washing clothes, and drinking water. These are all the things we do with the help of the water. Name the things you do using the water in your school. What are other things you do in our school? We will also, for flushing the toilet it will be used, and to clean our ground also it is used. Now look at the pictures given below. Say where else we use water. See, here in this, this lady, she is putting water for the mud. Then here the cow is drinking water. Here he is putting for the fields, the watering the fields. Here for cleaning is the vehicle he is using. Okay children. Next, in this picture, see in this picture he is cleaning the animals also. Next, he is watering the plants. Is it not? Watering the plants. Okay. From where do we get water for our house? Put tick mark and given in the picture, mark in the picture given. Now from where do you get? In Bangalore we won't get in well. Through well we won't get. We will get only through tap. Only this one we are going to get. Rest all, it will be, the water will be stored in the water tank, and even in the borewell also we are going to get the water. So we can easily tell the water tank, then here borewell, and these also hand pump. Only with these three we can get the water. Okay children. Now next, let us sing this song. I need water, I need water for drinking, cooking, and bathing too. I need water, I need water for building, for building, farming, sailing too. I need water, I need water for plants, animals, me and you. So here in this poem they have told for what all it has been used. Is it not? For what all the purpose it is used. It is used for cooking, drinking, bathing, then building, farming, sailing, and plants and animals also need water. Now, what you are supposed to do is, by this lesson, we can understand that plants need plants, animals, all the living beings which have got life need water. Is it not? And we the sources of water, that means from where all we will get the water, means we will get water through well, by well. See, in this picture they have shown by well, then river, pond, sea, hand pump, and so many things. Even with the, these are all the places where we get water. Did you understand, children? Thank you.